Alright, you birds, we're not going to discuss who should install the update and which is the best one and when is it safe to do it and what advantages does it have and what bugs does it introduce. We're not going to discuss that. We're just going to show you how to access the bare bones file itself, the app. And you don't need to take your MPC online and hook it up to Wi-Fi and sign into your account and look at your power packs and update your Pace account and all that. This is just to get the file off the Akai website and to go through a laptop method, a bare bones method of updating this unit. So to start with, you're going to boot it up. It'll come up like this. You're going to go to Menu, to Preferences, and it'll go to, this will be the up, and then you're going to hit Update. All right, you birds. Now, if we come here to the Akai Procom MPC-Live, if you have an X or I don't know what's the other thing, an XKE, whatever, pick your model and then come here to Downloads. And here at the bottom of this list, you'll find this. You'll get some choices. Image, USB. You can try that if you've got a Windows, and I'm going to use the Mac. So I'm picking this one here, and it's going to download. Switch to update mode. Are you sure you want to restart? Yep. Let's look at this anyway. Oh, I should note I've got my blue proprietary cable plugged into my Mac, and there's the file that I downloaded, and we're going to double tap that. Yes, open her up, and we're going to click update the MPC. Okay, my bad, forgot about that. You have to be on shore power, AC power for this. All right. Now we're back on shore power, and you can see it says 2.11.7, and now we're going to click Update. We're going to click Switch to Update Mode. It's going to restart, shutting down. So again, you have to have the blue cable plugged in, and you have to have the AC cable plugged in. And we're in Update Mode. Now we can come back here. And you can see the progress bar. Programming the update. Okay, there it is done. And the screen went blank for a minute, and now it's going to restart. And you'll get this little thing. You just click Don't Show Again. And here we're back at the main screen. So Menu, Preferences, and you can see there we have it, 2.11.8. So that's basically how it's done. And I haven't tried it yet. I don't know if there's any new exciting features. And that's the end of that, guys. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to tickle the backside of my scrotum with a peacock feather, all right? Oh, that's lovely. Thank you.